My OCD's got the best of me. I scrub something till it's spotless and scrub more till it's extra clean, extra clean. My OCD's got the best of me. I scrub something till it's spotless and scrub more till it's extra clean, extra clean.
When it comes to OCD, you see it's hard for me to focus. Don't have anything out of order when I'm around, cause I would notice. When I was a kid, I was told step on the crack, freaking mama's back. So now when I walk down the streets, I'm steadily staring for cracks. See, a lot of people laugh like it's something they never heard before, just cause I gotta roll my sleeves down just to open the door. And I don't even wanna speak about the days of the week, because on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I just mop and I sweep. Yeah, I see you laughing, yeah, just have fun with it. Just make sure you clean everything you touch whenever you get done with it. Yep, they say that I'm a weird fella, right? I even point up every time I speed past the yellow light. This ain't no joke, no, this is a major part of my life. I can't even go to sleep before I flip the lights twice. And no, this ain't no knock on the wood kind of thing. It's more you wear black than you can mess up a good thing. Yeah, I study hard for my school exams. They tell me they know I can pass, but I don't think I can. When people have parties, I don't like to attend, cause I gotta wash my hands and dry them just to wash them again. Sometimes I wish I could get this problem, sure, cause I'm getting so sick and tired of the rotten look. I notice a lot of people point like, look at the things that he does, and my friends don't like to be around me because